Hey everybody, we're back. And of course it's November, and you know every November I make a special edition for the Community Impact team here in North Reading. And today I have a very special guest. This is Laura Miranda, a member of the Community Impact team and an organizer of Self-Care Week. Let's welcome Laura Miranda to Live, Laugh, and Cook Italian.
Thank you for having me. I'm very excited to be here. I love cooking as self-care, so I'm super excited to cook along with Kenny today.
So, because it's getting close to Christmas, this time I'm going to give you another fantastic dish for your Feast of the Seven Fishes for Christmas Eve. Today I'm going to give you Linguine and Clams, the Live, Laugh, and Cook Italian way. So we're going to get everything ready behind us, and I'm going to show you all the ingredients you need to make a fantastic Linguine and Clams for your Feast of the Seven Fishes. Okay, here we are, all the ingredients. And don't forget, always go to the video description box underneath the video where it's all going to be written down in measurements for you. Let's see what we got. And don't forget, I'm making a pound of pasta. This is going to give you 3 to 4 servings. You have 3 tablespoons of butter. This is 1 whole head of garlic. It's probably about 8-10 cloves run through the garlic grating dish that you know I love. There's some fresh chopped parsley. That's about a teaspoon or so of fresh squeezed lemon juice. I love my pink Himalayan sea salt, fresh cracked pepper. Of course, my wonderful friends at Bono olive oil from Shaka, Sicily. We always thank them for being a sponsor. A very nice sauvignon blanc. The star of the show, the clams. And of course, we're in Boston, so we have our Prince pasta. Okay, so what we're going to do is we're going to get our pans ready, we're going to get our water on the stove, and when we come back, we're going to be making a fantastic linguine and clams. Right?
You know it.
There it is. Okay, here we are, and we're ready to start. Laura, give us the honors with the Bono olive oil. Yeah, keep going. Keep going. Give us the whole thing.
Looks good.
Yeah. Go to the last drop. Good. Okay. There we go. And the garlic. Oh, yeah. Now, what I'm going to do, and remember, this is going to be for a pound of pasta. So if you're making 1 serving, it's not going to be this much. And I'm going to put all these clams in, starting with the clams. I normally like to put 6 clams to a dish, so if I'm making 4 dishes, you know, you got 24 clams. All right. You see that? Oh, clam juice? Nothing wrong with that. All right. We're going to put this on. We're going to give that a minute, and we're going to be back. All right, quick. We got the clams in with the garlic and the oil. I'm going to give us a little bit of salt. Always salt your water. Never put oil in your water. Always salt with pasta. And in goes our linguine. Okay, now, real quick, that's been in for a couple of minutes. Just going to drop in my pads of butter. 2. That one in the middle. Nice. And we let our clams, it just, see that one just starting to open right there? Right? Beautiful. Ooh. Okay, first thing at this point, guys, now I'm going to give it some nice sea salt right there. And some nice fresh cracked pepper. Alright, Laura, give us that white wine on top. Oh, that's a thing of beauty. Alright, and the lemon juice. Nice, alright. And in we go for the final steam. Okay guys, we're just about ready. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to take these clams that are all nice and open, right? I'm going to put them in the bowl here, real quick. Oh, look at that. Remember guys, if a clam doesn't open, don't use it. Throw it away. It's not worth getting sick like this one. See that? I'm not going to use that one. I'm going to keep that off to the side. One lone straggler. Now, what we're going to do, We're gonna get these out, and I'm just gonna marry the flavors to the pasta. So what I'm gonna do here is I'm gonna give this a nice fresh parsley. Beautiful. Turn that up. I'm gonna come in with my drained linguine, and we're gonna throw some in. Give it a nice saute for about a minute. Hey, what are we doing here, huh? Okay, so guys, we're gonna let this saute about 1 minute. We're gonna get it on the plate, and when we come back, we're gonna give you that final product. Cover it up. All right, everybody, here we are, the final product. You ready?
I'm ready.
I'm ready.
Born ready.
All right, let's see what we got. Oh, now in for the clam. Nothing like fresh dug Massachusetts clams.
10 out of 10.
Guys, this is so easy. This can be a great addition to your Christmas Eve Feast of the Seven Fishes.
We were just talking too, it's a great weeknight recipe. You know, put it together for the family, a little bit of prep ahead of time, and you've got yourself a great meal.
Yeah, it was so easy. Little grated garlic, little fresh chopped parsley. Get your clams, rinse them up nice, and away you go. Delicious. Well, we hope you enjoyed this episode of Live, Laugh, and Cook Italian. Let us know what you think of your Linguine and Clams, and until next time, don't forget to live, laugh, and cook Italian. Right?
Thanks, Kenny.
There it is. Enjoy, folks.
Enjoy.